Hello friends, I am going to tell you about automatic prosody labeling through pitch marking. First of all, what is prosody labeling? Prosody labeling is used to describe the prosodic events. The way you speak, the way your tone is, the duration between words while you speak, all these come under prosody labeling. It includes three parts: syllabification, pitch marking, and break index marking. And for all three, separate files get created on Wave Surfer, like for syllabification.sy, for pitch marking.pt, and for break index marking.bm. But here we are going only to discuss pitch marking in detail. So, what is pitch marking? Pitch marking means to mark the variations in speech. It is done only for the voiced parts of the speech, and it represents the instance of glottal clausal where there is a excitation. Variation of pitch is shown through 5 parameters: F flat, that is no change in pitch; high, low, very high, and very low. 7 different combinations are there: flat, low to high to low, very low to high to very low, very high to low, and low to very high. Why there is a need of pitch marking? It's basically because the manual labeling of prosodic events, it's very time consuming and tedious. Plus, the work done till now in pitch marking, it suffers from two main problems, that is missing pitch marks and spurious detected points. So, it's very important to get an accurate pitch marking period. Now the algo used. First of all, an audio voice is recorded and saved in WAV file format. Then its sampling rate is checked because the sampling rate should not be more than 8000 Hz. Then noise is added to the signal. Then instance of glottal clausal are found and the spurious part is removed. Then the voiced unvoiced boundary marking is done because the pitch doesn't work with the unvoiced part. Then pitch marking is done, and finally the output is written to the WAV file. These are the results on a file of 4 seconds duration. Like this is a simple audio signal. These are the voiced regions marked in red, like from hair to hair, hair to hair, all these are the voiced regions. This is the actual pitch marking. A value of 1 represents flat region, value of 3 represents high to low, value of 3.5 represents high to very low, and so on. This is the actual output on Wave Surfer. This is a GUI being developed in MATLAB for pitch marking. Like here it is the input time in seconds. You can give any seconds for which you want your recording to be done and you want the pitch marking. Like suppose I give 4. Now if I click on record, a recording will start. Hello, hello, hello. Now it is asking to save the file. Suppose I give it a name as speech. It is saved in WAV file format. You can play this file. Hello, hello, hello. You can even plot it. Then final the task of pitch marking. Here it is asking to save its PT file. PT means the extension of pitch marking. So here give the same name which you gave while saving your file, that is speech. Now the output will appear. Different figures will come. So this figure 1 simply represents the audio signal. Figure 2 gives the voiced regions, like from hair to hair voiced regions, all marked as red. And final figure gives the pitch markings. You can see this output finally in the Wave Surfer file. Open it in propane mode. Like from hair to hair it represents flat, from hair to hair it is giving high to low, then again flat. So this is the pitch marking task. And now if you click on exit button, you will automatically come out of this window. So now what you conclude, here the algo of pitch marking was presented and 7 levels were used for pitch marking: flat, low to high, high to low, very low to high, high to very low, very high to low, and low to very high, which showed the variation of pitch from low to high, high to low, and so on. So what is the future scope of it? Here we use 7 labels. These labels could be increased to achieve a higher accuracy. The labels added can be high to very high, low to very low, very high to high, very low to low, etc. Also, improvement need to be done for proper division of the slots in the marking process. And thank